Let's start with onboarding. Signing up is simple. Enter your email as your username, then set your password. Once your account is created, you can choose the persona that best suits you. iyarn supports a wide range of users across healthcare, corporates, research, education, social services, and personal use. iyarn is trusted by over 42,000 users, with more than 2.1 million check-ins already completed. Next, let's walk through an example check-in. You can create your own unique check-ins with iyarn or use one of our pre-existing templates to get started quickly. A check-in is a fast and easy way to reflect on different areas of your life or work. Simply move the sliders on the wheel to rate how you're feeling in each area. You can also invite others to join your iyarn check-in, allowing them to reflect and rate how they're going in the same areas. Once you submit your check-in, you'll see a clear overview of your data, including trends over time and insights into your progress. iyarn also helps you connect with your team or organization by enabling you to leave comments and reply directly within the platform. This keeps you aware of how people are going and helps you track improvements or identify areas that might need attention. iyarn also provides a range of support resources, which can be customized to the check-in. iyarn also offers AI-powered support, helping you and your team get the most out of the platform and answer questions quickly. Now, let's explore the advanced survey feature. With this feature, you can create your own custom surveys to capture more detailed information. Add questions using different formats, such as yes or no, rating scales, or open text responses. This makes it easy to gather richer data alongside your wheel check-ins, giving you and your organization a more complete picture. iyarn also includes an advanced analytics and display system. This helps leaders, managers, and administrators understand trends and key data points across individuals, teams, or entire organizations. By visualizing aggregated check-in and survey data, you can identify patterns, spot early warning signs, and measure progress towards your goals. Next, let's look at the task feature. This allows you to set tasks and reminders directly in the platform, helping you or your team follow up on actions identified through check-ins or surveys. Tasks can be assigned to individuals, include due dates, and be marked as complete when finished, supporting accountability and ongoing engagement. To wrap up, iyarn brings together simple, powerful tools to help you check in, reflect, and take action. Whether you're using it for personal growth, team well-being, or research, iyarn helps you track what matters and make meaningful progress.